Welcome to the Begin the Basics YouTube channel. Today we discuss about project management. So what is project management? Definitely you may have heard about the words like project manager, project management, projects, especially if you are working in a private or public organization. This does not mean that projects only apply if you are employed. Before we learn about project management, we need to know what a project is. Okay, let's see what is a project. The effort to create a certain product or to achieve a certain service or outcome, we call it the project. To become a project, an effort, a task must have its own few characteristics. It should not be a routine activity or a repeat. That is to be unique. It must be temporary activity, and the term temporary does not apply to the product or result produced by the project. That is, the time it takes to create the relevant product or service would be finite. But the produced product or service may continue. The project needs to be progressively elaborated, that is, gradually expanded. Okay, then what is project management? In simple words, project management is the planning and organization of the company's resources to carry out the completion of a specific task, event, or duty. It is essential to know exactly what your goals are, how you will achieve them, what resources you need, and how long it will take you to reach that specific goal. According to PMI, it is the application of knowledge, skills, tools and techniques to project activities to meet the project requirements. It seems like complicated, but with future videos we will explain them further. So why project management is important? Project management will certainly help you to achieve or succeed a task, product, or result from its start to finish. If you don't manage your project correctly, you are deliberately endangering it or waiting for it to happen. Who is a project manager? Whichever the industry, the project manager has to do roughly the same job. The main challenge in project management is how to achieve required project objectives when you're bound with constraints. A project manager is the person responsible for successfully initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing a project. What about the project management career path and the availability of the jobs? The project manager career path ranges from a project assistant role to a project coordinator, project expert, project expeditor, assistant project manager, senior project manager, and project director. So no matter what level or the job stage of employment you are in, you can move on to the project management profession. There is always good demand because the project manager is directly impacting for the success of the project and he is fully responsible for it. You can also claim a higher salary. External and internal opportunities will be created to suit the amount of experience you have, whether you are employed or not. Most importantly, project management has become a necessity for almost every industry in the modern world. In the past, we saw the project management was done in areas like IT, engineering, etc. But now it is spread to all other fields. With so many courses, certifications, workshops, and seminars coming up, it is easy to acquire, update relevant knowledge. In our next video, we hope to discuss about project management certifications and the ways can be used to gain required knowledge for them. Thank you for joining Begin the Basics YouTube channel.